What if one of humanity's greatest safety inventions was inspired by a bird? Imagine striking your head against a tree hundreds, sometimes thousands of times every day, at speeds that would give a human severe brain injury. Yet this forest drummer survives effortlessly. How? And could the secret hidden inside its skull be the reason modern helmets became better? Deep inside the forests of Bhutan, we captured one of nature's most extraordinary engineers, the Lesser Yellownape. At first glance, it almost disappears into the forest. Its olive green body blends perfectly with moss-covered trunks. But then, a flash of golden yellow erupts from its crest, and bright red markings reveal its identity. This is the Lesser Yellownape, Picus chlorolophus, one of Asia's most beautiful woodpeckers. And this individual is a male, identified by the vivid red forehead and moustachial stripe, an adult in the prime of life, perfectly adapted for a life spent clinging to trees. Watch closely. Every strike sends powerful shock waves through its skull. For humans, impacts like these would be catastrophic. But woodpeckers evolved a remarkable shock-absorbing system. Their skull structure, powerful neck muscles, and specialized tongue apparatus work together like natural safety gear. Scientists studying these birds have even drawn inspiration for improving protective helmets and impact-resistant technologies. Nature solved this problem millions of years ago. Humans are only beginning to understand it. But this isn't random hammering. The bird is searching, listening, inspecting, probing every crack and crevice. Hidden beneath the bark are beetle larvae, ants, and tiny insects invisible to us. Its long tongue reaches deep into tunnels inside the wood. Every peck, every pause, every movement is part of a highly specialized hunting strategy perfected through evolution. Nothing escapes the attention of this master insect hunter. Notice how the bird constantly stops and looks around. Its crest rises, its eyes scan the surroundings. Even while feeding, it remains alert, because life in the forest is never without danger. Predators, competition, and constant vigilance shape every second of its existence. Yet, despite these risks, the Lesser Yellownape moves with calm precision like an experienced craftsman at work. April marks the breeding season across much of the Himalayas. Could this bird be preparing a nest cavity? Perhaps, but the clues tell another story. Instead of focusing on one location, it keeps moving between different sections of the trunk. This behavior suggests something else, an intensive search for food. Still, every woodpecker carries another hidden talent. They are architects, masters of excavation, and their work changes the forest forever. Woodpeckers do something few animals can. They create homes. After they abandon their cavities, those holes become shelters for barbets, nuthatches, tits, owls, and even small mammals. Without woodpeckers, many forest creatures would struggle to find places to breed. These birds are not just residents of the forest. They are builders, engineers, silent caretakers of an entire ecosystem. The forests of Bumthang provide exactly what the Lesser Yellownape needs. Ancient trees, moist bark covered with moss and lichens, a rich supply of insects, dense canopy, and countless hidden feeding opportunities. Healthy forests create healthy woodpeckers, and healthy woodpeckers help maintain healthy forests. Nature's balance is beautifully interconnected. Today, the Lesser Yellownape is listed as least concern, but that doesn't mean its future is guaranteed. Across Asia, habitat loss continues to threaten countless forest species. As old trees disappear, so do the insects, the nesting cavities, and eventually the birds themselves. Protecting forests means protecting entire communities of life, including this remarkable drummer. From inspiring human safety technology, to controlling insect populations, to creating homes for countless creatures, the Lesser Yellownape is far more than just a woodpecker. It is an engineer, an architect, a hunter, and a guardian of the forest. Hidden high among the trees of Bhutan, it continues its ancient rhythm, a rhythm that has echoed through these mountains for millions of years. And perhaps, the next time you see a helmet, you'll remember that one of its greatest teachers was a bird.